Good morning, team. Check it out. Big Swole right here. He's been working on this. All right, Big Swole. So the paint gun we have, it's not great. So we're gonna see if we can come up with another plan. But the transition was looking really good with it. It just keeps getting clogged up. So we killed that paint gun. So we're gonna try and do some dry brushing and see if we can get a better transition. Okay. But nonetheless, man, look at how good this is looking. It is looking gorgeous. So from where Big Swole's at, we have painted all the way to the front of the park. Okay. And you can see, man, look at this transition. Doesn't it look great? See, using the paint gun was working really well. It just keeps getting clogged. So we're gonna kind of come up with another plan and see if that'll work. Or I'll see if I can find the right gun to use. I was trying right here to kind of do a feathering with some with a dry brush. Let's see. Whoops. Just a little bit of a. So this is actually, it's almost dry already. Let's see. Okay. And look, I'm not going to pretend to be a professional when it comes to this, so I'm not. All right, so let's see. So I wanted to almost dry brush it and go at an angle like that a little bit. See what I'm talking about? And just a little bit of a transition. It was working really well with the paint gun. Really well with the paint gun. Okay, let's see. Now, a lot of this is going to be underwater, so it's not going to be a huge factor in making it look gorgeous. But, you know, we don't want it to look janky, all right? But it's not too bad. It's not too bad. See, now we're going to dry brush it a little bit and see if we can transition a little bit. Yeah? It's not terrible. Not great, but it's not terrible. What's great about this and great about our ownership is they're letting us experiment. So this is great. We're learning from it. This is what it's all about. It's just learning from it. So I don't want a hard transition. You see this hard transition. I want it to kind of be a feathered transition. Again, it was working really well with the paint gun, but yeah. Anyway, see how good that transition is? It was beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's okay. Big Swole's got some ideas he's going to try out. Right, Big Swole? He's got some ideas he's going to try, and hey, at the moment, it'll be all right for us. If anything, we'll come back and do it again. All right, we'll see you.